Look at the snow in Mississippi. Holy cow, I've never seen it snow this much. Spike, come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Oh, get in that snow, buddy. Yeah, it's just deep, ain't it, Spike? It's deep, ain't it, Spike? Yeah, it's cold. Look, I don't know if you can tell how deep. You might can tell. I don't know if you can be able to tell from this picture. Let me turn this thing a little bit. But you see my ankle, it's above my ankle deep. And it is beautiful. Beautiful. We don't get it like this in Mississippi often. I mean, this is just unbelievable. I would not be standing under any pine trees right now. You might can see that pine tree there. It's got a, there it goes. You saw the snow starting to fall off of it. Yeah. Stuff's getting a little heavy. What do you think, Spike? What do you think, Spike? Hey, Spike. Hey, Spike. Come here. Yeah. Stay. He's like, I'm getting out of this snow. Well, it's just gorgeous. And we work in the, ooh, I guess another one. The pine trees are, that snow is falling off of them. You know, you would love to be, huh? Well, what I was going to say, some limbs were popping. But I was going to say, you would love to be hunting out in this stuff. But you'd probably want to make sure that you were in a open area to where all this snow wouldn't fall on you. It's just a winter wonderland in Mississippi. How about that? Spike, what do you think, buddy? What do you think, buddy? That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. You hear him popping? Uh-oh. Big limb just broke. Beautiful out here. Just ease around the barn here. My goodness. Where you going, Spike? Huh? You like it? He's sniffing. He's sniffing. Hey, let's go back to the house. Let's get out up under this, these limbs. I was just talking about not being under the limbs, and here I am under the limbs. Well, it's a beautiful, beautiful scene here. Man, just look at that. Come a little gust of wind there. Come a little gust of wind there and knocked that on down out of that tree. My old Glendale buck here got a little snow in his antlers. Alright, we'll come back to you here in just a second. Get a couple pictures of old Spike in the snow. Spike. Hang tight, be right back. Got old Spike in the snow. Ooh, ooh. I'm going to make a dash for it to get up under this snow so I don't get peled with snow in the head. Spike. Run, buddy, run. Run, buddy, run. There's my old rose bush memorial. Man, it's just beautiful. I'll go on the other side of the house for a minute. I'll be right back. All right, it's my front yard. Got my 2 big old magnolia trees right there. That's definitely a lot of Mississippi love right there, baby. Let me show you. You probably saw this tree from the other side. Well, there's gonna be some trees down. But this tree right here is my most favorite tree in the world. I mean, it is just beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. It was a picture, it was the tree on my, probably gonna be on the front of my video this time. But as you can see, you can't see my driveway. It's white out. I think the roads are gonna be okay. Had a few passerbys, just a little slushy, nothing too bad. There's a piece of, see this little line right here? I guess a piece of dirt or something fell off the vehicle and it just rolled through the snow. Ain't that something? I know my parents and stuff are pretty excited about this snow. And of course, you see the logo there, Fair Oil Company, Fair Propane. Our drivers and I imagine our CSRs and stuff will be extremely busy today because when it's cold and snowy in Mississippi, people are hunkered down, and the snow and wet stuff kind of makes it just feel a little bit colder, especially the snow. So yeah, our crew will be pretty busy today. So I'm trying to get up and get going kind of early this morning. And of course I do marketing and stuff, so I'll be doing a bunch of snow pictures and all that good jazz, promoting the old Fair Propane, Fair Oil Company. Great company. If you're watching it and you're in the, I don't know, from Carthage to Aberdeen, anywhere in between, over to Salis, Mississippi and Columbus. If you're in those areas, we can get some gas to you. We've been doing it since 1934. I haven't been doing it since 1934, obviously, but the fairs have been doing it since 1934. And we have a phenomenal crew. So service matters. Anyway, I want to give you a quick little taste of Mississippi snow. And if you are in Mississippi, you're experiencing this right now. But it just may be a little something you may want to watch later. And when it's not snowing. You'll probably watch this video when it's, you know, about mid-July, about 102 degrees. I'll be wishing we had a little snow then. But oh, Spike, he enjoyed it. He got out there and messed around a little bit. And it's still coming on down. Been coming down for a while, obviously. But anyway, this may not seem like much to many folks, but this old Mississippi boy likes to see a little snow every now and then. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I've got my fair truck here. And as you can see, it's got a lot of snow on it. So with the roads being a little slushy, I'm probably gonna take the old 2B truck. So anyway, time to do a little marketing. Check out some of my other videos if you get a chance. There'll be some hunting, some shooting bows in the backyard. Just a lot of outdoor stuff. That's kind of the theme of what I do. I don't sit in the house very often, very much, so always outside doing something. So y'all check out my videos. I appreciate it. Subscribe if you will. Tell your friends about it. And we'll see you next go around with D-Rock's Outdoor Life. Thank y'all. Phew! Cold. Figured while I was riding down the Ease Road here, real slow, at 10 miles an hour, I would do a little video. What else we got over here on Nelson Ridge on the Ease Road? So, here you go. Come the truck. Get out of the way. Goats ain't out. I bet Mom and Daddy's loving it. All right, back at get out here to the main road, so we'll call it quits. Get on do a little snow marketing for the snowpocalypse today. So y'all appreciate y'all watching. Have a good day.